So you want to start off with freshly washed hair.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So you're going to need some type of holding cream for dreadlocks or like a holding wax. And then you're going to need some type of rat tail comb to comb through the new growth. This is what you will be retwisting, of course, into the dread. So once you have the part sectioned off, you want to see which way the dread is retwisted already. His is going to the right, so I'm going to comb through the new growth and begin to twist to the right. And instead of just using your fingers to retwist, you can use the palm of your hand. You'll put the dread in your hand and just roll, and it'll just be retwisted. And then there you have it. So I'm going to have this slowed down for you guys so you can see exactly how I'm combing out that new growth. You see how long it was. And as I'm rolling it in the palm of my hand, well, I don't think I did it this time, but you'll see. And then I'll speed up the process because it's kind of simple and I'm doing the same thing over and over. So we combing out that new growth. And then you want to twist with your fingers and then roll in your palm. And there you have it.
No rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
One thing I did want to say is that retwisting dreads can be very annoying and it's super tedious. So you have to take your time. It can be frustrating depending on how long the person went without getting their hair done, or just how thick they are, or just dreads period, because you can barely find a part. So you have to just take your time and you have to have patience doing this.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in.
So I went on ahead and retwisted the other side of his head off camera, and I wanted to focus on this center part because this is where it's super frizzy at, and this is where you need to take your time the most and be precise and make sure that you can see the part.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As dreads grow, they do become connected, or I don't want to say matted, but you may have to do a little tugging and pulling on the hair to make sure your parts are neat and sharp and crispy, because the hair will become connected. That's how people have 4 or 5 big locks, because they let their hair connect. It becomes one after so long if you don't get them retwisted.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Dreadlocks can break off. I mean, it's still here at the end of the day. Like, it can still break off. And sometimes they tend to get thin in towards the root area. So to repair that, you want to grab as much new growth as possible around that dread to try to retwist the new growth within that dread. That's what you want to do to try to repair it and make it back full and thick, because you don't want the dread to eventually break off. And then it'll be just like a bald spot right there.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
And I'm not a pro at this, so I'm not trying to like school y'all on how to retwist dreads, but I'm just showing y'all the way I do it and what I'm learning as I go along with this journey, because I'm just not learning not too long ago. I just started doing my boyfriend dreads. Like, I retwist them every now and then, so I learn something new every time I, retwist them, and I learn a different technique or a faster way to, get done quicker and all of this stuff like that. So it can be tedious. I did get frustrated. I still get frustrated because we just be doing whatever. Like, I be taking my time because we just be chilling. But it do be frustrating me. Like, you just got to take your time and you got to have patience. I'm getting better, though, because I've been doing them for a minute. The last couple of times, forever, damn near. So you just gotta take your time and you'll get the groove of it.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I try not to make this video stupid long, but it's low-key satisfying to watch dreads being retwisted, or I don't know, maybe it's just me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned to my channel. I will be posting more videos. Thanks for watching.